Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to run a Laravel program in your computer from GitHub. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download my inventory system in Laravel 12 in MySQL for free in my GitHub account. Okay, so yesterday I have created a very simple inventory system using Laravel 12 in MySQL. The first thing that we will do if we want to download and run in our computer is to select here. There are several options, but for me, the easiest is to download the zip file. Okay, the file is very small, 214 KB. Now, if you don't have any idea in Laravel, it will not run the code. So let us copy this file, and then our computer is in Drive C, XAMPP, htdocs, recreate a folder here, new. Let's say we will call this folder inventory. Okay, paste the file, and then right click, view more option, extract all. Okay, so we will copy all again, all the files, paste on the main. Let's say we will remove these files to compress in the folder. Now what you will do is very simple. There are some dependencies here, the vendor folder and node modules, but most of the time the vendor folder is removed because it is not necessarily. So right click, go to open get bash here. So to install all the dependencies, just simply type composer. Make sure composer is installed in your computer. Install. It will download all the necessary files as you can see. Symfony, okay, all the files. Okay. Okay, that's complete. Next, PHP artisan serve to run the server. Copy. We will open a browser here. Paste. We will remove the brackets. Enter. Server error. Okay. Products, I think. Products or items. Okay, let me check first. What is the file? Open the folder. Inventory. Okay, yes. Go to web. Where's the web? Mm, wow. Routes. Okay. Items. Let me check. When I run this code, does not run. Okay. Okay, we will cancel first. There are some bugs. PHP. Wait. I will rename this first to ENB. And then this line of code, we convert to MySQL. Okay. Let me check the database. Bootstrap, database, migration. Okay. So here, let's go back here. Let's say, for example, I will create here inventory. Save. Okay, here, localhost. Let's say, I will create a database here. Click database, inventory, click create. Okay, go back here, PHP, artisan, migrate. Okay, let us run again the code. Simply refresh. Why? Okay. PHP. Sorry, I forgot to run the server. Okay, sorry. Up, up key, no? So, if you encounter this error, you simply go here, cancel, PHP, artisan, application, application key, generate, to generate the command. Ay, application. Okay. Wait. No word application key generate, I think. Okay. Successfully run again the server. Refresh. Okay. I'm very sorry. No. Okay, we have some trouble now. So that's fixed, no? Okay. So add an item. Let's say Nido milk. Quantity 12. Price is 123.45. Save. Okay. So it saves the new record, another record. Let's say Milo. Let's say 67 to 345.23. Save. Okay, we have here the total sum, total price. And then we can delete the record. Yes. Okay. We can edit. Let's say the quantity. Instead of 12, we have 15. Update. Yes, correct. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to run an application that we download, no, from GitHub to your machine in Laravel. Thank you so much for listening and watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel, guys. If you're new, be clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.